If you're a fan of sweet and sour chicken, then you'll love this apricot chicken served with rice for an easy weeknight meal. Start by chopping your onions and your garlic and setting them aside. Then make your apricot sauce with the apricot jam, ketchup, salt, onion powder, and soy sauce. Whisk everything together and set aside. In your skillet, cook your cubed chicken, and once cooked fully, transfer to a bowl. In the same skillet, deglaze with a little bit of butter and then cook your onions and your garlic. When cooked, add the sauce. Heat it through and add your apricots. Then your pieces of chicken. Stir everything together, and you're ready to serve. Make sure to cook some rice at the same time, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.